Hari Bol Dandat Pranam. So I was reciting Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrit of Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. I'll continue the same after prayers. Om Agyana Timirandhasya ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाखया चक्षुरुन्मिलितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीशा गोपिका कान्ता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी ऋषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिये। श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So I have stopped at text 71 of 6th chapter. Now I am going to read next Adi Lila 6th chapter, text 72 to 76. द्वारकाते रुक्मिणी आदि जतेक महिषी ताहारा हो आपना के माने कृष्णदासी। चैड्याय मार्पयितुम् उद्यता कार्मुकेषु राजस्व अजेय भट्ट शेखरितांग्री रेणुः निन्ये मृगेन्द्र इव भागम अजावियुथात् तच्छ्रीनिकेत चरणो अस्तु ममार्चनया। तपस् चरन्तिम अग्नाय स्वपाद स्पर्शनाशय सख्योपेत्यांग्रहित पाणिम साहम तद्ग्रह मार्जनी। आत्मरामस्य तस्येमा वयम वै ग्रह दासिकाः सर्वसंग निवृत्त्याद्धा तपसा च बभूविमा। आनेर की कथा बलदेव महाशय जारा भाव शुद्ध सख्य वात्सल्यादिमय। ट्रांसलेशन। इन द्वारका धाम all the queens headed by Rukmini also consider themselves maid servants of Lord Krishna. When Jarasandha and other kings bows and arrows upraised stood ready to deliver me in charity to Shishupal, he forcibly took me from their middle, as a lion takes its share of goats and sheep. The dust of his lotus feet is therefore the crown of unconquerable soldiers. May those lotus feet, which are the shelter of the goddess of fortune, be the object of my worship. Knowing me to be performing austerities with the desire to touch his feet, he came with his friend Arjuna and accepted my hand. Yet I am but his maid servant, engaged in sweeping the floor of the house of Sri Krishna. Through austerity and through renunciation of all attachments, we have become maid servants in the home of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is satisfied in himself. what to speak of others? Even Lord Baldeva, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is full of emotions like pure friendship and paternal love. Next, text 77 to 84. तेहों आपना के करेन दास भावन, कृष्णदास भाव विनु आछे कौन जन, सहस्र वदने जेहों शेष संकर्षण, दास देह धरी करे कृष्णेर सेवन। अनंत ब्रह्मांडे रुद्र सदाशिवेर अंश, गुणावतार तेहों सर्वदेव अवतंश। तेहों करेन कृष्णेर दास्य प्रत्याशा, निरंतर कहे शिव मोहि कृष्णदास। कृष्ण प्रेमे उन्मत्त विह्वल दिगंबर, कृष्ण गुण लीला गाय नाचे निरंतर। पिता माता गुरु सखा भाव केनो नय, कृष्ण प्रेमेर स्वभावे दास्य भाव से करे। एक कृष्ण सर्व सेव्य जगत ईश्वर, आर जत सब तारा सेवक अनुचर। सेई कृष्ण अवतीर्ण चैतन्य ईश्वर, अतैव आर सब ताहार किंकर। Translation. He also considers himself a servant of Lord Krishna. Indeed, who is there who does not have this conception of being a servant of Lord Krishna? He who is Sesha Sankarshana with his thousands of mouths serves Sri Krishna by assuming 10 forms. Rudra, who is an expansion of Sadashiva and who appears in unlimited universes, is also a Guna avatar, qualitative incarnation, and is the ornament of all the gods and goddesses in the endless universes. He also desires only to be a servant of Lord Krishna. Sri Sadashiv always says, I am a servant of Lord Krishna. Intoxicated by ecstatic love for Lord Krishna, he becomes overwhelmed and incessantly dances without clothing and sings about Lord Krishna's qualities and pastimes. All the emotions, whether those of father, mother, teacher, or friend, are full of sentiments of servitude. That is the nature of love of Krishna. Lord Krishna, the one master and the Lord of the universe, is worthy of being served by everyone. Indeed, everyone is but a servant of his servants. That same Lord Krishna has descended as Lord Chaitanya, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Everyone, therefore, is his servant. Text 85 to 92. केहो माने केहो ना माने, सब तारा दास, जे ना माने तार है सही पापे नाश। चैतन्य रे दास मुई, चैतन्य रे दास, चैतन्य रे दास मुई, तार दासेर दास। एत बलि नाचे गाय हुंकार गंभीर, क्षणे के रसीला, क्षणे के बसीला आचार्य हैया सुस्थिर। भक्त अभिमान मूल श्री बलरामे, से भावे अनुगत तार अंशगणे। तारा अवतार एक श्री संकर्षण, भक्त बलि अभिमान करे सर्वक्षण। तार अवतार आन श्री युत लक्ष्मण, श्री रामेर दास्य तिहो कैलानुक्षण। संकर्षण अवतार कारणाब्धिशायी, ताहार हृदय भक्त भाव अनुयायी। ताहार प्रकाश भेद अद्वैत आचार्य, काय मनो वाक्य तार भक्ति सदा कार्य। Translation. Some accept him whereas others do not. Yet everyone is his servant. One who does not accept him, however, will be ruined by his sinful activities. I am a servant of Lord Chaitanya, a servant of Lord Chaitanya. I am a servant of Lord Chaitanya and a servant of his servants. Saying this, Advaita Prabhu dances and loudly sings. Then at the next moment, he quietly sits down. The source of the sentiment of servitude is indeed Lord Balram. The plenary expansions who follow him are all influenced by that ecstasy. Lord Sankarshan, who is one of his incarnations, always considers himself a devotee. Another of his incarnations, Lakshman, who is very beautiful and opulent, always serves Lord Ram. The Vishnu who lies on the causal ocean is an incarnation of Lord Sankarshan, and accordingly the emotion of being a devotee is always present in his heart. Advait Acharya is a separate expansion of him. He always engages in devotional service with his thoughts, words and actions. Text 93 to 100. वाक्य कहे मोई चैतन्य अनुचर, मोई तार भक्त मने भावे निरंतर। जल तुलसी दिया करे कायाते सेवन, भक्ति प्रचारिया सब तारिला भुवन। पृथ्वी धरे न जय शेष संकर्षण, काय व्यूह करी करे न कृष्णेर सेवन। यही सब है श्री कृष्णेर अवतार, निरंतर देखी सबार भक्तिर आचार। ये सभा के शास्त्रे कहे भक्त अवतार, भक्त अवतार पद ऊपरी सबार। एकमात्र अंशी कृष्ण अंश अवतार, अंशी अंशे देखी ज्येष्ठ कनिष्ठ आचार। ज्येष्ठ भावे अंशिते है प्रभु ज्ञान, कनिष्ठ भावे आपनाते भक्त अभिमान। Translation. By his words, he declares, I am a servant of Lord Chaitanya. Thus, with his mind, he always thinks, I am his devotee. With his body, he worshipped the Lord by offering Ganga water and tulsi leaves, and by preaching devotional service, he delivered the entire universe. Sesha Sankarshan, who holds all the planets on his heads, expands himself in different bodies to render service to Lord Krishna. These are all incarnations of Lord Krishna, yet we always find that they act as devotees. The scriptures call them incarnations as devotees Bhakta Avatar. The position of being such an incarnation is above all others. Lord Krishna is the source of all incarnations, and all others are his parts or partial incarnations. We find that the whole and the part behave as superior and inferior. The source of all incarnations has the emotions of a superior when he considers himself the master, and he has the emotions of an inferior when he considers himself a devotee. The position of being a devotee is higher than that of equality with Lord Krishna, for the devotees are dearer to Lord Krishna than his own self. Text 101 to 107. आत्मा हते कृष्ण भक्ते बड़ करी माने, इहाते बहुत शास्त्र वचन प्रमाणे। न तथा मे प्रियतमा आत्मयोनिर्न शंकरः, न च संकर्षणो न श्रीर्नैवात्म च यथा भवान्। कृष्ण साम्ये नहे तार माधुर्य आस्वादन, भक्त भावे करे तार माधुर्य चरवण शास्त्रेर सिद्धांत जे विघ्नेर अनुभव मूढ़ लोक नाही जाने भावेर वैभव भक्त भाव अंगीकरी बलराम लक्ष्मण अद्वैत नित्यानंद शेष संकर्षण कृष्णेर माधुर्य रसामृत करे पान से सुखे मत किछु नाही जाने आन अन्येर आछुक कार्य आपने श्री कृष्ण आपन माधुर्य पाने हैला सतृष्ण. Translation. The position of being a devotee is higher than that of a equality with Lord Krishna. For the devotees are dearer to Lord Krishna than his own self. Lord Krishna considers his devotees greater than himself. In this connection, the scriptures provide an abundance of evidence. O Uddhava, neither Brahma nor Shankara nor Sankarshana nor Lakshmi nor even my own self is as dear to me as you. The sweetness of Lord Krishna is not to be tasted by those who consider themselves equal to Krishna. It is to be tasted only through the sentiment of servitude. This conclusion of the revealed scriptures is also the realization of experienced devotees. Fools and rascals, however, cannot understand the opulences of devotional emotions. Baladev, Lakshman, Advaitacharya, Lord Nityananda, Lord Shesha, and Lord Sankarshan taste the nectarian mellows of the transcendental bliss of Lord Krishna by recognizing themselves as being his devotees and servants. They are all mad with that happiness and they know nothing else. What to speak of others? Even Lord Krishna himself becomes thirsty to taste his own sweetness. Text 108 to 115. स्वमाधुर्य आस्वादिते करेन यतन भक्त भाव विनु नहे ताहा आस्वादन. भक्त भाव अंगीकरी हैला अवतीर्ण श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य रूपे सर्व भावे पूर्ण. नाना भक्त भावे करेन स्व माधुर्य पान पूर्वे करियाची ए सिद्धांत व्याख्यान. अवतार गणेर भक्त भावे अधिकार भक्त भाव हईते अधिक सुख नायार. मूल भक्त अवतार श्री संकर्षण भक्त अवतार ताही अद्वैत गणन. अद्वैत आचार्य गोसाईर महिमा अपार जहार हुंकारे कैला चैतन्य अवतार. संकीर्तन प्रचार्या सब जगत तारिला अद्वैत प्रसादे लोक प्रेम धन पाइला. अद्वैत महिमा अनंत के पारे कहिते सेई लिखी जय सुनी महाजन हिते. Translation. He tries to taste his own sweetness, but he cannot do so without accepting the emotions of a devotee. Therefore, Lord Krishna accepted the position of a devotee and descended in the form of Lord Chaitanya, who is complete in every respect. He tastes his own sweetness through the various emotions of a devotee. I have formerly explained this conclusion. All the incarnations are entitled to the emotions of devotees. There is no higher bliss than this. The original Bhakta avatar is Sankarshan. Sri Advaita is counted among such incarnations. The glories of Sri Advaita Acharya are boundless, for his sincere vibrations brought about Lord Chaitanya's descent upon this earth. He liberated the universe by preaching Sankirtan. Thus, the people of the world received the treasure of love of Godhead through the mercy of Sri Advaita. Who can describe the unlimited glories of Advaita Acharya? I write here as much as I have known from great authorities. Text 116 to 120. आचार्य चरणे मोर कोटि नमस्कार, इथे किछु अपराध ना लबे आमार, तोमार महिमा कोटि समुद्र अगाध, ताहार इयता कही ये बड़ा अपराध। जय 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 श्री अद्वैत आचार्य, जय जय श्री चैतन्य नित्यानंद आर्य। दो ही श्लोके कहिला अद्वैत तत्व निरूपण, पंच तत्वेर विचार किछु सुन भक्तगण। श्री रूप रघुनाथ पदे जार आश, चैतन्य चरितामृत कहे कृष्णदास। Translation: I offer my obeisances 10 million times to the lotus feet of Sri Advaita Acharya. Please do not take offense at this. Your glories are so fathomless as millions of oceans and seas. Speaking of its measure is a great offense indeed. All glories to Sri Advaita Acharya. All glories to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and the superior Lord Nityananda. Thus, in 2 verses, I have described the truth concerning Advaita Acharya. Now, O devotees, please hear about the 5 truths, Panchatattva. Praying at the lotus feet of Sri Rupa and Sri Raghunath, always desiring their mercy, I, Krishnadas, narrate Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita following in their footsteps. Here ends chapter 6. Next, chapter 7, text 1, 2 and 3. Agati ekagatim natva hinarthadhika sadhakam Sri Chaitanyam likhyate asya prema bhakti vadanyata. जय जय महाप्रभु श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य, ताहार चरणाश्रित सई बड़ धन्य। पूर्वे गुरु आदि 6 तत्वे कैला नमस्कार, गुरु तत्व कहियाची एबे पांचेर विचार। Translation: Let me first offer my respectful obeisances unto Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is the ultimate goal of life for one bereft of all possessions in this material world and is the only meaning for one advancing in spiritual life. Thus, let me write about his magnanimous contribution of devotional service in love of God. Let me offer glorification to the Supreme Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One who has taken shelter of his lotus feet is the most glorified person. In the beginning, I have discussed the truth about the spiritual master. Now I shall try to explain the Panchatattva. Text 4 to 6. Panchatattva avatirna chaitanyera sange, Panchatattva laya karena sankirtana range. Panchatattva ek vastu nahi kichu bhed, rasa aswadite tabu vividha vibhed. Panchatattvatmakam krishnam bhaktarupa swarupakam, bhaktavataram bhaktakhyam, namami bhakta shaktikam. Translation: These 5 tattvas incarnate with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and thus the Lord executes his Sankirtan movement with great pleasure. Spiritually, there are no differences between these 5 tattvas, for on the transcendental platform, everything is absolute. Yet, there are also varieties in the spiritual world, and in order to taste these spiritual varieties, one should distinguish between them. Let me offer my obeisances unto Lord Sri Krishna, who has manifested himself in five as a devotee, expansion of a devotee, incarnation of a devotee, pure devotee, and devotional energy. Text 7 to 11. स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण एकले ईश्वर अद्वितीय नंदात्मज रसिक शेखर रासादि विलासी व्रजललना नागर आर जत सब देख तार परिकर. श्री कृष्ण अवतीर्ण श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य से परिकर गण संगे सब धन्य. एकले ईश्वर तत्व चैतन्य ईश्वर भक्त भावमय तार शुद्ध कलेवर. कृष्ण माधुर्य एक अद्भुत स्वभाव आपना आस्वादिते कृष्ण करे भक्त भाव. ट्रांसलेशन. Krishna, the reservoir of all pleasure, is the Supreme Personality of Godhead Himself, the Supreme Controller. No one is greater than or equal to Sri Krishna, yet He appears as the son of Maharaj Nanda. Lord Sri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is the supreme enjoyer in the rasa dance. He is the leader of the damsels of Raja, and all others are simply his associates. The self-same Lord Krishna advented himself as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with all his eternal associates who are also equally glorious. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is the supreme controller, the one personality of Godhead, has ecstatically become a devotee, yet his body is transcendental and not materially tinged. The transcendental mellow of conjugal love of Krishna is so wonderful that Krishna himself accepts the form of a devotee to relish and taste it fully. Text 12 to 17. इथे भक्त भाव धरे चैतन्य गोसाई भक्त स्वरूप तार नित्यानंद भाई. भक्त अवतार तारा आचार्य गोसाई ये तीन तत्व सबे प्रभु करी गाय. एक महाप्रभु आर प्रभु दुई जन दुई प्रभु सेवे महाप्रभु चरण. ये तीन तत्व सर्व आराध्य करी मानी चतुर्थ जे भक्त तत्व आराधक जानी. श्रीवास आदि जत कोटि कोटि भक्तगण शुद्ध भक्त तत्व मध्य ता सबार गणन. गदाधर पंडित आदि प्रभुर शक्ति अवतार अंतरंग भक्त करी गणन जहार. Translation. For this reason, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Supreme Teacher, accepts the form of a devotee and accepts Lord Nityananda as his elder brother. Sri Advaita Acharya is Lord Chaitanya's incarnation as a devotee. Therefore, these three tattvas, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, and Advaita Gosai, are the predominators or masters. One of them is Mahaprabhu and the other two are Prabhus. These two Prabhus serve the lotus feet of Mahaprabhu. The three predominators, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, and Advaita Prabhu, are worshipable by all living entities. And the fourth principle, like Sri Gadadhar Prabhu, is to be understood as their worshipper. There are innumerable pure devotees of the Lord headed by Srivas Thakur who are known as unalloyed devotees. The devotees headed by Gadadhar Pandit are to be considered incarnations of the internal potency of the Lord. They are confidential devotees engaged in the service of the Lord. Text 18 to 22. जहाँ सबा लैया प्रभुर नित्य विहार, जहाँ सबा लैया प्रभुर कीर्तन प्रचार, जहाँ सबा लैया करे न प्रेम आस्वादन, जहाँ सबा लैया दान करे प्रेम धन। सेई पंचतत्व मिली पृथ्वी आसिया, पूर्व प्रेम भांडारेरा मुद्रा उघाड़िया। पांचे मिली लूटे प्रेम करे आस्वादन, जत जत पिए तृष्णा बाढ़े अनुक्षण। पुनः पियाइया है महामत, नाचे कांदे हासे गाय जैसे मदमत। The internal devotees or potencies are all external associates in the pastimes of the Lord. Only with them does the Lord advent to propound the Sankirtan movement. Only with them does the Lord taste the mellow of conjugal love, and only with them does He distribute this love of God to people in general. The characteristics of Krishna are understood to be a storehouse of transcendental love. Although that storehouse of love certainly came with Krishna when he was present, it was sealed. But when Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came with his associates of the Panchatattva, they broke the seal and plundered the storehouse to taste transcendental love of Krishna. The more they tasted it, the more their thirst for it grew. Sri Panchatattva themselves danced again and again, and thus made it easier to drink nectarian love of Godhead. They danced, cried, laughed, and chanted like madmen, and in this way they distributed love of Godhead. Text 23 to 26. पात्र अपात्र विचार नाही, नाही स्थान आस्थान, जे जहाँ पाए तहाँ करे प्रेम दान। लूटिया खाइया दिया भंडार उजाड़े, आश्चर्य भांडार प्रेम शतगुण बाड़े। उछालिला प्रेम वन्या चौदिके बेडाए, स्त्री वृद्ध बालक युवा सबारे डुबाए। सज्जन दुर्जन पंगु जड़ अंधगण, प्रेम वन्याय डुबाइला जगतेर जन। Translation. In distributing love of Godhead, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his associates did not consider who was a fit candidate and who was not, nor where such distribution should or should not take place. They made no conditions. Wherever they got the opportunity, the members of the Panchatattva distributed love of Godhead. Although the members of the Panchatattva plundered the storehouse of love of Godhead and ate and distributed its contents, there was no scarcity, for this wonderful storehouse is so complete that as the love is distributed, the supply increases hundreds of times. The flood of love of Godhead swelled in all directions, and thus young men, old men, women, and children were all immersed in that inundation. The Krishna conscious moment will inundate the entire world and drown everyone, whether one be a gentleman, a rogue, or even a lame, invalid, or blind. Text 27 to 32. जगत डूबिला जीवे रहिल बीज नाश ताहा देखी पांच जनेर परम उल्लास जत जत प्रेम वृष्टि करे पांच जने तत तत बाढ़े जल व्यापे त्रिभुवने. मायावादी कर्मनिष्ठ कुतर्किक गण निंदक पाषंडी जत पड़ुया धन से सब महादक्षे धाय पलाइला से वन्या ता सबारे चुनिते नारिला. ताहा देखी महाप्रभु करेन चिंतन जगत डुबाइते आमी करिलूं यतन. केह केह एडाइला प्रतिज्ञा हईला भंग ता सबा डुबाइते पाटिब किछु रंग. Translation. When the five members of the Panchatattva saw the entire world drowned in love of Godhead and the seed of material enjoyment in the living entities completely destroyed, they all became exceedingly happy. The more the five members of the Panchatattva caused the rains of love of Godhead to fall, the more the inundation increases and spreads all over the world. The impersonalists, fruity workers, false logicians, blasphemers, non-devotees, and lowest among the student community are very expert in avoiding the Krishna conscious moment, and therefore the inundation of Krishna consciousness cannot touch them. Seeing that the Mayavadis and others were fleeing, Lord Chaitanya thought, I wanted everyone to be immersed in this inundation of love of Godhead, but some of them have escaped. Therefore, I shall devise a trick to drown them also. Text 33 to 38. एत बलि मने किछु करिया विचार संन्यास आश्रम प्रभु कैला अंगीकार. 26 वत्सर छिला गृहस्थ आश्रमे 25 वर्षे कैला यति धर्मे. संन्यास करिया प्रभु कैला आकर्षण जतेक पालान छिला तार्किकादिगन. पडुया पाषंडी कर्मी निंदक आदि जत तार आसी प्रभु पाए है अवनत. अपराध क्षमाइला डुबीला प्रेम जले केबा एडाइबे प्रभुर प्रेम महाजले. सबा निस्तारिते प्रभु कृपा अवतार सबा निस्तारिते करे चातुर्य अपार. Thus the Lord accepted the sannyas order of life after full consideration. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu remained in householder life for 24 years, and on the verge of his 25th year, he accepted the sannyas order. After accepting the sannyas order, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu attracted the attention of all those who had evaded him, beginning with the logicians. Thus the students, infidels, fruity workers, and critics all came to surrender unto the lotus feet of the Lord. Lord Chaitanya excused them all, and they merged into the ocean of devotional service, For no one can escape the unique loving network of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared in order to deliver all the fallen souls. Therefore, he devised many methods to liberate them from the clutches of Maya. Text 39 to 43. तबे निज भक्त कैला जत म्लेच्छ आदि सबे एडाइला मात्र काशीर मायावादी. वृंदावन जायते प्रभु रहिला काशीते मायावादी गण तारे लागिला निंदिते. सन्यासी हैया करे गायन नाचन ना करे वेदांत पाठ करे संकीर्तन. मूर्ख सन्यासी निज धर्म नाही जाने भावुक होइया फेरे भावु के रशने. ये सब सुनिया प्रभु हासे मने मने उपेक्षा करिया कारो ना कैला संभाषण. All were converted into devotees of Lord Chaitanya, even the Mlechas and Yavanas. Only the impersonalist followers of Shankaracharya evaded him. While Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was passing through Varanasi on his way to Vrindavan, the Mayavadi sannyasi philosophers blasphemed against him in many ways. The blasphemers said, although a sannyasi does not take interest in the study of Vedanta, but instead always engages in chanting and dancing in Sankirtan. This Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is an illiterate sannyasi and therefore does not know his real function. Guided only by his sentiments, he wanders about in the company of other sentimentalists. Hearing all this blasphemy, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu merely smiled to himself, rejected all these accusations, and did not talk with the Mayavadis. Text 44 to 49. उपेक्षा करिया कैला मथुरा गमन, मथुरा देखिया पुनः कैला आगमन. काशीते लेखक शूद्र श्री चंद्रशेखर, तार गरे रहिला प्रभु स्वतंत्र ईश्वर. तपन मिश्रेर गरे भिक्षा निर्वाहन, सन्यासीर संगे नाही माने निमंत्रण. सनातन गोसाई आसी तहाई मिलिला, तार शिक्षा लागी प्रभु दुई मास रहिला. तारे सिखाइला सब वैष्णवेर धर्म, भागवत आदि शास्त्रेर जत गूढ़ मर्म. इति मध्य चंद्रशेखर मिश्र तपन, दुखी हैया प्रभु पाए कैला निवेदन. Translation. Thus, neglecting the blasphemy of the Varanasi Mayavadis, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proceeded to Mathura, and after visiting Mathura, he returned to meet the situation. This time, Lord Chaitanya stayed at the house of Chandrasekhar. Although he was regarded as a Shudra or the Kayast, for the Lord as the Supreme Personality of Godhead is completely independent. As a matter of principle, Lord Chaitanya regularly accepted his food at the house of Tapan Mishra. He never mixed with other sannyasis, nor did he accept invitations from them. When Sanatana Goswami came from Bengal, he met Lord Chaitanya at the house of Tapan Mishra, where Lord Chaitanya remained continuously for 2 months to teach him devotional service. On the basis of scriptures like Srimad Bhagavatam, which reveal these confidential directions, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed Sanatana Goswami regarding all the regular activities of a devotee. While Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was instructing Sanatana Goswami, both Chandrasekhar and Tapan Mishra became very unhappy. Therefore, they submitted an appeal onto the lotus feet of the Lord. Text 51 to 57. कतेक सुनिबा प्रभु तोमार निंदन ना पारी सहिते एबे छाड़ीबा जीवन। तोमारे निंदये जत सन्यासीर गण सुनेते ना पारी फाटे हृदय श्रवण। इहा सुनी रहे प्रभु ईशत हासिया से काले एक विप्र मिलिला आसिया। आसी निवेदन करे चरणे धरिया एक वस्तु मागो देह प्रसन्न हैया। सकल सन्यासी मोहि कैनो निमंत्रण तुम्ही यदि आइस पूर्ण है मोर मन। ना जाए सन्यासी गोष्ठी यह आमी जानी मोरे अनुग्रह करो निमंत्रण मानी। प्रभु हासी निमंत्रण कैला अंगीकार सन्यासी रे कृपा लागी ये भंगी तहार। से विप्र जाने न प्रभु ना जाए कार घरे ताहार प्रेरणाए तारे अत्याग्रह करे। Translation. How long can we tolerate the blasphemy by your critics against your conduct? We should give up our lives rather than hear such blasphemy. The Mayavadi sannyasis are all criticizing your holiness. We cannot tolerate hearing such criticism, for this blasphemy breaks our hearts. While Tapan Mishra and Chandrasekhar were thus talking with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he only smiled slightly and remained silent. At the time a Brahmin came there to meet the Lord. The Brahmin immediately fell at the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and requested him to accept his proposal in a joyful mood. My dear Lord, I have invited all the sannyasis of Banaras to my home. My desires will be fulfilled if you also accept my invitation. My dear Lord, I know that you never mix with other sannyasis, but please be merciful unto me and accept my invitation. Lord Chaitanya smiled and accepted the invitation of the Brahman. He made this gesture to show his mercy to the Mayavadi sannyasis. The Brahman knew that Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never went to anyone else's house, yet due to inspiration from the Lord, he earnestly requested him to accept his invitation. Text 58 to 64. आर दिने गेला प्रभु से विप्र भवने देखिलेन बसिया छेन सन्यासीर गणे सभा नमस्करी गेला पाद प्रक्षालन करी बसीला से स्थाने बसिया करीला किचु ऐश्वर्य प्रकाश महा तेजोमय वपु कोटि सूर्याभास प्रभावे आकर्षिला सब सन्यासीर मन उठिला सन्यासी सब छाड़िया आसन प्रकाशानंद नामे सर्व सन्यासी प्रधान प्रभु की कहिला किचु करिया सम्मान यहाँ आयसा सुनह श्रीपाद अपवित्र स्थाने बैसो किबा अवसाद प्रभु कहे आमी हई हीन संप्रदाय तोमा सभाय वसीते ना जुआए. Translation. The next day when Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to the house of that Brahmin, he saw all the sannyasis of Banaras sitting there. As soon as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw the sannyasis, he immediately offered obeisances and then he went to wash his feet. After washing his feet, he sat down by the place where he had done so. After sitting on the ground, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu exhibited his mystic power by manifesting an effulgence as brilliant as the illumination of millions of suns. When the sannyasis saw the brilliant illumination of the body of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their minds were attracted and they all immediately gave up their sitting places and stood in respect. The leader of all the Mayavadi sannyasis present was named Prakashananda Saraswati, and after standing up, he addressed Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as follows with great respect. Please come here, please come here. Your Holiness, why do you sit in the unclean place? What has caused your lamentation? The Lord replied, I belong to a lower order of sannyasis, therefore I do not deserve to sit with you. Text 65 to 69. आपने प्रकाशानंद हाथे ते धरिया बसाइला सभा मध्य सम्मान करिया पूछिला तोमार नाम श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य केशव भारतीय शिष्य ताते तुम्ही धन्य सांप्रदायिक सन्यासी तुम्ही रहो ई ग्रामे की कारणे आमा सबार ना कर दर्शने सन्यासी हय्या करो नर्तन गायन भावुक सब संगे लैया करो संकीर्तन वेदांत पठन ध्यान सन्यासी धर्म ताहा छाड़ी करो केने भाव के रकर्म. Translation. Prakashananda Saraswati, however, caught Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally by the hand and seated him with great respect in the midst of the assembly. Prakashananda Saraswati then said, I understand that your name is Sri Krishna Chaitanya, you are a disciple of Sri Keshav Bharati, and therefore you are glorious. You belong to our Shankara Sampradaya and live in our village, Varanasi. Why then do you not associate with us? Why is it that you avoid even seeing us? You are a sannyasi. Why then do you indulge in chanting and dancing, engaging in your Sankirtan movement in the company of fanatics? Meditation and study of the Vedanta are the sole duties of a sannyasi. Why do you abandon these to dance with fanatics? Text 70 to 73. प्रभावे देखिए तुमा साक्षात नारायण हीनाचार कर केने इथे की कारण प्रभु कहे सुन श्रीपाद यहार कारण गुरु मोरे मूर्ख देखी करिला शासन मूर्ख तुम्ही तोमार नाही का वेदांत अधिकार कृष्ण मंत्र जप सदा ए मंत्र सार कृष्ण मंत्र हैते हवे संसार मोचन कृष्ण नाम हैते पावे कृष्णेर चरण. Translation. You look as brilliant as if you are Narayana himself. Will you kindly explain the reason that you have adopted the behavior of a lower class people? Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied to Prakashananda Saraswati, my dear sir, kindly hear the reason. My spiritual master considered me a fool and therefore he chastised me. You are a fool, he said. You are not qualified to study Vedanta philosophy and therefore you must always chant the holy name of Krishna. This is the essence of all mantras or Vedic hymns. Simply by chanting the holy name of Krishna, one can obtain freedom from material existence. Indeed, simply by chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, one will be able to see the lotus feet of the Lord. Text 74 to 79. नाम बिनु कलि काले नाही आर धर्म सर्व मंत्र सार नाम ए शास्त्र मर्म एत बलि एक श्लोक शिखाइला मोरे कंठे करी ए श्लोक कर्य विचारे हरेर नाम हरेर नाम इव केवलम कलौ नास्तेव 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 गतिरन्यथा ए आज्ञा पाइया नाम लई अनुक्षण नाम लईते लईते मोर भ्रांत हिल मन। धैर्य धरिते नारी हैलाम उन्मत्त, हासी कांदी नाची गाई जैसे मदमत। तबे धैर्य धरी मने करिलूं विचार, कृष्ण नामे जाना छन्न हैला अमार। Translation: In this age of Kali, there is no religious principle other than the chanting of the holy name, which is the essence of all Vedic hymns. This is the purport of all scriptures. After describing the potency of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, my spiritual master taught me another verse, advising me to always keep it within my heart and throat. For the spiritual progress in this age of Kali, there is no alternative, there is no alternative, there is no alternative to the holy name, the holy name, the holy name of the Lord. Since I received this order from a spiritual master, I always chant the holy name, but I thought that by chanting and chanting the holy name, I had been bewildered. While chanting the holy name of the Lord in pure ecstasy, I lose myself and thus I laugh, cry, dance and sing just like a madman. Collecting my patience, therefore, I began to consider that chanting the holy name of Krishna had covered all my spiritual knowledge. Text 80 to 85. पागल हैला आमी धैर्य नाही मने, एत चिंती निवेदिलों गुरुर चरणे। कीबा मंत्र दिला गोसाई, कीबा तार बल, जपीते जपीते मंत्र करिला पागल। हासाय नाचाय मोरे कराय क्रंदन, एत सुनी गुरु हासी बलीला वचन। कृष्ण नाम महामंत्रेर एत स्वभाव, जे जपे तार कृष्ण उपजय भाव। कृष्ण विषय का प्रेमा परम पुरुषार्थ, जार आगे तृणतुल्य चारि पुरुषार्थ। पंचम पुरुषार्थ प्रेमानंदामृत सिंधु, मोक्षादि आनंद जार नहीं एक बिंदु। ट्रांसलेशन: I saw that I had become mad by chanting the holy name, and I immediately submitted this at the lotus feet of my spiritual master. My dear Lord, what kind of mantra have you given me? I have become mad simply by chanting this Mahamantra. Chanting the holy name in ecstasy causes me to dance, laugh and cry. When my spiritual master heard all this, he smiled and then he began to speak. It is the nature of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra that anyone who chants it immediately develops his loving ecstasy for Krishna. Religiosity, economic development, sense gratification and liberation are known as the four goals of life. But before love of Godhead, the fifth and highest goal, these appear as insignificant as straw in the street. For a devotee who has actually developed bhav, the pleasure derived from dharma, artha, kam and moksha appear like a drop in the presence of the sea. Text 86 to 91. कृष्ण नामेर फल प्रेमा, सर्वशास्त्रे कहे भाग्य से प्रेमा तोमाय करिला उदय। प्रेमार स्वभावे करे चित्त तनुक्षोभ, कृष्णेर चरण प्राप्तिये उपजाय लोभ। प्रेमार स्वभावे भक्त हासे कांदे गाय, उन्मत्त हैया नाचे इति उति धाय। स्वेद कंप रोमांचाश्रु गदगद वैवर्ण्य, उन्माद विषाद धैर्य गर्व हर्ष दैन्य। एत भावे प्रेमा भक्त गणेर नाचाय, कृष्णेर आनंदामृत सागरे भासाय। बाल हैल पाइले तुम्ही परम पुरुषार्थ, तोमार प्रेमेते आमी हैला कृतार्थ। Translation: The conclusion of all revealed scriptures is that one should awaken his dormant love of Godhead. You are greatly fortunate to have already done so. It is a characteristic of love of Godhead that by nature it induces transcendental symptoms in one's body and makes one more and more greedy to achieve the shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord. When one actually develops love of Godhead, he naturally sometimes cries, sometimes laughs, sometimes chants, and sometimes runs here and there just like a madman. Perspiration, trembling, standing on end of one's bodily hairs, tears, faltering voice, fading complexion, madness, melancholy, patience, pride, joy, and humility. These are various natural symptoms of ecstatic love of Godhead, which causes a devotee to dance and float in an ocean of transcendental bliss while chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. It is very good, my dear child, that you have attained the supreme goal of life by developing love of Godhead. Thus, you have pleased me very much, and I am very much obliged to you. Text 92 to 96. नाचो गाओ भक्त संगे करो संकीर्तन कृष्ण नाम उपदेशी तार सर्वजन एत बलि एक श्लोक शिखाइला मोरे भागवते रसार जय बले बारे बारे एवं रतः स्वप्रिय नाम कीर्त्या जातानुरागो द्रुत चित्त उच्चै हसति अथो रोदिति रौति गायति उन्माद वन नृत्यति लोक बाह्य ए तार वाक्य आमी दृढ़ विश्वास धरी निरंतर कृष्ण नाम संकीर्तन करी से कृष्ण नाम कभू गाय नाचाय गाही नाची नाही आमी आपन इच्छाय. Translation: My dear child, continue dancing, chanting and performing Sankirtan in association with devotees. Furthermore, go out and preach the value of chanting Krishna Nam, for by this process you will be able to deliver all fallen souls. Saying this, my spiritual master taught me a verse from Srimad Bhagavatam. It is the essence of all the Bhagavatam's instructions. Therefore, he recited this verse again and again. When a person is actually advanced and takes pleasure in chanting the holy name of the Lord, who is very dear to him, he is agitated and loudly chants the holy name. He also laughs, cries, becomes agitated and chants just like a madman, not caring for outsiders. I firmly believe in these words of my spiritual master, and therefore I always chant the holy name of the Lord alone and in the association of the devotees. That holy name of Lord Krishna sometimes causes me to chant and dance, and therefore I chant and dance. Please do not think that I intentionally do it. I do it automatically. So today I stop here. Again, tomorrow I'll continue the next part of this Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Lila, 7th chapter. Hari Bol, Dandot Pranam.